Hi guys, it's Phil here again from the Water Stain Doctor. Now it's been quite a few years since I've shot a shower restore video. I'm on location here on a particular property that's prime, that's right to shoot another HD video. So one of my videos from years ago has had 500,000 hits. It's time to probably do something a little bit more modern and a little bit more in terms of quality is concerned. So I'm going to a very brief video. I'm on my own here and I'm using a smartphone, so I'm limited to angles and what I can do, but I do my best. I'm also old school, so I can't use AI or any of those technologies. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we'll just turn this around for you. So here we are. You'll see how badly stained this glass is. So if I just come into the shower door here, and we'll just try and zoom in using, so you can see that. This is the real deal. So this is really quite badly stained on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst, 1 being the least. So I'm going to restore all the stainless steel here back to new. Our Water Stain Doctor system will do this relatively easily. The bit of physical work involved in something this badly stained, but we're going to restore this back to clean, and then we're going to add a nanotechnology coating on here for the client, right? And that's good quality glass. So it's not an imported Asian glass. It's really, really high quality, 10 mil thick. So it's quality glass to work on. So just stand by, we're going to get started, and we'll try and show you some of the processes we work our way through it. But the Water Stain Doctor system you can see on other YouTube videos. So I'll do my best to film some of this, but I've got a limited amount of time. This is another fly in, fly out job. I've got 2 showers to do in this property. So yeah, this will probably take me about 2.5 hours. This is quite a bad shower. Stand by. Okay guys, so I just want to point something out. This is just from a year's experience. So just turn this around. You'll notice that this has all been restored now. So that's before and after. Can you see the, yeah, pretty obvious, eh? So this is restored. That's still to be done. So I hope you can see that. Anyway, if you look up through the glass, you'll see a little area here that I've missed on purpose. I hope you can see that. Can you see the staining through the glass there? There's a line. Can you see the distinctive line through the middle there? So this is all restored all through here. And there's an area up in the corner there. I just wanted to show you. So there's a little line just straight down here. Can you see the line down there? So that's an area that's been missed on purpose, just to show you the water staining before and after, or at least the residual. I've restored most of it back, but so what we need to do is put a little bit more paste on there. So we got these polishes down here. We use a Makita. You don't need much product at all. This is the full strength water stain paste that we sell all around the world now. So basically used to be a full franchise system. We've now decided to open up to everybody. So you put the paste on the pad, lift the pad up, push it on the glass, spread it around, and then just fire the polisher up, and that'll cut that out really, really easily. So just trying to do this with one hand, obviously. Just stand by and we'll show you the result. Okay, so about 20 seconds later, you'll notice it's all gone. So this paste really It's got cerium oxide in it as well, but we'll never give away our recipe. It's trademarked. But yeah, it's the bomb. You will not get a glass restoration paste better than this, I believe, anywhere in the world. People spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on cleaners that just don't restore. Now the other thing, can you see a little bit of staining through here? Just through the corner here, you might be able to see a little bit of staining here as well. I'm just going to touch that up. But now we're going to start focusing on this door, this main door. And exactly the same system. Paste, pad, small sections at a time. So we'll focus on thirds, thirds, thirds. Stand by. So guys, you'll see we're about 80% through now, and we just got the bottom section of the door to restore, and you've seen the stainless steel there. So this is the water stain doctor system, been operating 18 years. We also do DIY kits, sell hundreds and hundreds of do-it-yourself kits online. We send them globally, all over the world, for those people, and most people in fact don't have the ability to get a technician to their home to get this done. They need to do it themselves, because globally we can't be everywhere, obviously. So this is Phil. We'll show you the end result. We're going to nano coat protect this as well at the end of this job, and then we've got another shower too. So 2 showers on this property. Stand by for the end result. Okay guys, so this shower's fully restored now. So we've got about a 98% success rate with water stained glass on anything actually. Boats, cars, buses, building glass, the whole lot. So just have a look at that. So all fully restored back, all clean. Stainless steel's been polished back, all clean. We just close this door here. We're going to put a coating on this now, a special coating, but we're all good to go. So you can buy this product yourself on our websites. We send globally, literally anywhere in the world, and it simply works. It's not some cool flash label product that promises everything and delivers nothing. This is the water stain doctor.